In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an event planning board in Monday.com. Walkthrough 2025. We'll go from a blank login screen to a ready-to-use event planning board using Monday.com's Template Center so you can start organizing timelines, vendors, and tasks in minutes. First, open your browser and head to Monday.com. On the top right, select Go to My Account to sign in. Enter your work email and password, or continue using your company's Google or Microsoft login if that's how your team signs in. Then click Login to access your workspace. Once you land on the Monday.com home, look to the right side of the screen for Explore Templates. Go ahead and select it. This is your shortcut to pre-built boards designed for common workflows, and it saves a ton of setup time. Inside the Template Center, use the search bar to type events, or browse the event planning category. You'll see several options, each with a short description and preview. Think about the type of event you're running: conference, webinar, offsite, or fundraiser, and choose a template that matches the level of detail you need. If you plan to track budgets, vendors, or a multi-day agenda, pick a template that already includes those columns. When you've found the right fit, open it and click Use Template. Monday.com will begin creating your template boards and any related views. This can take a little while, so don't worry if you see a loading screen for a bit. It's building the structure, sample groups, and columns that make the template useful from day one. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing. Depending on your internet connection and workspace size, it may create multiple boards or views like timelines and dashboards. Just let it run until everything appears. When the boards appear, you can immediately start tailoring them to your event. Rename the board to reflect your event's title and date. Adjust groups like Planning, In Progress, and Completed, and edit columns to match how your team works. For example, update the status labels, set realistic due dates, and assign owners so everyone knows their responsibilities. Replace any sample items with your real tasks, and add key details like locations, vendor contacts, or session names in the relevant columns. As you customize, keep things simple at first. It's easier to add fields later than to overwhelm your team on day one. Finally, review the board layout to make sure it mirrors your event's timeline and you're ready to roll. That's it. You've set up an event planning board in Monday.com using a template, and you're now prepared to manage your event with clarity and confidence.